Hi folks, I hope you're all doing well. Okay, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to refill ink in the Epson L361 printer model. First, we need to check the printing quality before refilling the ink. So just scan any of the documents. Here you can see the printing quality. This is the original one and this is the printed one. There you can see the unclear text and the black lines from this one, because there is no black ink from the printer. So let's see how to refill the ink in the printer. For that, first you have to turn off the printer. Then make sure that the color of the label matches the ink bottle that you want to refill. And the most importantly, you have to buy the Epson brand ink only to refill your printer. Don't buy any duplicate product or other brand ink, okay? And also check the expire date as well. Here I will use the BK664 ink. Okay, next remove the bottle from the wrapper. Then open the cap. Here you can see the aluminum wrapper that helps to stop the leakage from the bottle. Now you have to remove that. Then put the cap back on the bottle. Okay, now unhook the ink tank from the printer, just like this. Then clean the tank with clean cloth because there is more dirt inside, so I have to clean this. Here I am going to refill the black ink tank, so slightly remove the lid. Look, there is no ink anymore. Now pour the ink into the black ink tank. Let's drop the ink until it fills the tank. Just like this. If you want to quick refill, just press the bottle little bit. Oh no, I filled the ink more than its capacity. It spilled out. Just clean it. Okay, I have to clean this. Now close the ink tank lid as well as the ink bottle lid. Now hook the ink tank panel to the printer. That's it. If you have any stains on your hand or printer, you can use thinner to clean them up. It helps to remove the stain easily. Okay, next we have to do your nozzle check. For that, you have to connect printer to your computer. Then turn on your printer. Now open the start panel on your computer. Then search the control panel. Here it is. Just give a click. Here you have to select view devices and printers from the hardware and sound settings. Just click it. Then you have to select your printer model. Here I am gonna select this one. Now it will take you to the Epson printer settings screen. From there, tap on the nozzle check under the Epson product support. Now click the print from the pop-up. Okay, now we have to wait for a few seconds until the printing is done. Okay, next we have to do a head cleaning. So tap on the clean option and click start. Wait for a few minutes until the process is done. Once it's completed, then click the print nozzle check pattern. Select the print option. Okay, the print is out. Okay, now compare the print pattern with this printing line. If it's not completed, you may again give the clean option until you get satisfied. Here it is. Okay, now let's have a look. It successfully printed the pattern. Okay, now I have to take the one printer to test the printing quality. The print came out well. Look, it's very clear. That's it guys. These are the way to refill the ink on the printer. And if you have any other doubts or suggestions, then let me know to the comment section below. And see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.